It is late, the room is quiet, and that heavy ache sits in your chest. Everyone else seems to have someone, and you feel completely invisible. If this is you tonight, stay with me. Maybe you can be in a full room, surrounded by people, and still feel like you are behind a pane of glass. Loneliness is not about being alone. It is about feeling unseen. So you scroll, and every screen shows laughing friends and full tables, and quietly you wonder what is wrong with you. Please put the phone down for a moment. Hear this clearly. You are not broken, and you are not unlovable. Millions of good, warm people feel exactly this way tonight, and it says nothing bad about you. Loneliness is not a flaw in you. It is a signal, the same way hunger tells you to eat. It is simply your heart asking, gently, for connection. But loneliness also lies. It whispers that nobody would notice you, that reaching out is pointless, that you are a burden. Tonight, we answer those lies with small, real actions. You do not need to fix your whole life by morning. You just need a few tiny steps, and I will walk you through 6 of them right now. Step 1. Pick one person and send a tiny, low-pressure message. Not a big speech, just a small knock on the door of their day. Try, "Hey, you crossed my mind today. How have you been?" You do not need a reason, and you do not need it to be perfect. Most people are quietly waiting for someone else to reach first. They feel it too. So let the brave one, just this once, be you. Step 2. Build one small anchor into your week. A standing coffee, a Sunday call with family, a regular walk with a neighbor. Something that gently repeats. Loneliness grows in empty, shapeless days. A ritual you can count on gives your week a heartbeat and gives you something warm to lean toward. Step 3. You do not have to leap into deep friendship yet. First, simply be near people. Work from a cafe, read at the library, walk where families gather. Being softly around others reminds your nervous system that the world is not empty. Familiar faces become nods, nods become hellos, and hellos slowly grow into friends. Step 4. Turn the feeling outward. Do one tiny thing for someone else. Compliment a stranger, help a coworker, tell a friend you are proud of them. Loneliness makes us curl inward, small and hidden. A little kindness pulls you back out and reminds you that you already matter to people right now today. Step 5. Take one friendship you already have and go one layer deeper. Instead of "fine, thanks," try something a little more honest and real. You might say, "Honestly, this week has felt a bit lonely for me." Real closeness is built the moment one person dares to be truthful first. Your small truth quietly gives the other person permission to share theirs. That is exactly how polite surface talk turns into genuine belonging. Step 6. Do not forget the one person always with you, which is you. Tonight, speak to yourself the way a kind friend would. Make your own company gentle. Play music you love, cook one warm meal, wrap up cozy. When peace with yourself grows, connection becomes a bonus, not a lifeline. One important note. If your loneliness ever turns into hopelessness, or a feeling that others would be better off without you, please tell someone today, or contact a local crisis line. Let us gather it all up. Send one small message. Build one weekly anchor. Sit gently among people. Offer one kindness. Go one layer deeper with a friend. And treat yourself as someone worth knowing. 6 tiny steps, and you only need to start with one. Connection almost never arrives in one grand, cinematic moment. It is quietly stitched from small, brave reaches, repeated on ordinary, unremarkable days like this one. So pick just one step, and do it today, not someday. The distance between lonely and connected is often a single, imperfect, wonderful hello. You are far more wanted than this quiet night is telling you. The people who will love you are out there, waiting to be reached. Take a slow breath in and let it go. You are not alone in this, and honestly, you never really were. If this reached you tonight, Subscribe for simple advice for a calmer, happier life, and let us keep taking these gentle steps together. You made it to the end, and that already shows how much you care. Send that one message. I am proud of you.